Good morning, fifth graders. I am trying something new this morning so that you can see my face and hear my voice. So first things first, we're going to go over our schedule for the day and then I'm going to give you some important information. So today is Tuesday, May 12th, 2020. Today is National Nutty Fudge Day. So my question of the day for you is, what is your favorite type of fudge? And if you don't have a favorite type of fudge, then what is your favorite dessert? Mine, as many of you know, I love Reese's peanut butter cups, but I especially love chocolate peanut butter fudge. It is delicious. So really anything where you have chocolate and peanut butter mixed, that's my favorite dessert. Okay, on to our schedule for today. The first thing, science. So we're looking over here. Science, I want you to go onto Seesaw and complete the WCNY grade 3 through 5, water as ice. So it's going to talk about water and its properties and how those properties change when water turns into ice. So you'll watch a video, you'll have a short little bit to read from the textbook that's right in there, and then answer the focus question. Make sure when you are answering the focus question that you are using our RACE strategy. So restate, answer the question, cite your evidence, and explain your answer. If you need to, put that RACE on a piece of paper someplace and check it off as you do each one of those pieces to answer the question. I don't want to see one word or one sentence answers. We are fifth graders going into sixth grade. You need to really push yourselves and write a little bit more. Okay, so making sure that you're following each one of those pieces of our RACE strategy will help you to expand and extend your writing. Next thing, if we look over at ELA, I want you to complete one lesson, at least one lesson in Imagine Learning. Then if you're going to go, then you're going to go into Seesaw and you're going to complete day 2 only of the activity called I'm Always Chasing Rainbows. You're going to save that as a draft using the orange check mark because we have one more day of that to complete. And then there's time for you to make up any incomplete work that you haven't finished for ELA. And then we are going to move on to math. So hold on one second. So for math, again, 25 to 30 minutes of Dreambox, making sure that you complete at least one lesson per day. So that's 5 lessons per week. Then you're going to go into Seesaw and complete the activity that is called Volume of Rectangular Prisms. And third thing for math is to make up any incomplete work, anything that you haven't completed yet for math. Some reminders that I want to give everyone. Make sure that you're completing your work on Seesaw, okay? If you have any questions or you can't get on there, please get a hold of me, let me know. Also, as a reminder, breakfast and lunch pickup is every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at Van Dyne or the school that's closest to you. And that is from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. If you haven't already, please make sure you join our Facebook page, Miss Dewey and Mr. Mara's 5th grade. And then as far as Zoom class calls, I'm doing 2 per week right now. So Monday is at 2 p.m. and Mondays are for if you have questions, you need help with work, or you just want to chat. And then Fridays is kind of our class meeting time, where we can just talk and catch up on what we've been doing and just kind of connect with each other. So come chat with us. We will have some guest appearances sometimes. Mr. Mara is going to take us on Mr. Mara will be taking us on a field trip, hopefully when the weather gets nicer, to see his bees. And yeah, we're going to do some fun things. So I hope that you all join us. If you haven't, please make sure you do. Tell your friends. And yeah, get on there because we want to see your faces. As always, if you have any questions or concerns or you need any help with anything, this is for parents and students. Please get a hold of Mr. Mara or I. You all should have my number, and you are welcome to call me at most any time. Text, Facebook, message me, whatever is easiest for you, and we can help you with whatever it is that you need. And then I have one more message for you. So one of the most important things, and I have it highlighted down here at the bottom in yellow, important information. So according to the school district, which they're getting their information from New York State, is that students must log on to Clever and complete activities in Dreambox, Imagine Learning, and Seesaw every day. That is what New York State is using to count attendance for students. That's what they're looking at. So again, get on the computer, tablet, phone, get on to Clever. Students, make sure you're completing lessons in Imagine Learning every day. You're completing lessons in Dreambox every day. And you're working on the activities in Seesaw every day. Again, that's how attendance is being kept track of with the school district and New York State. So it's really important that you guys get on there. If you are having trouble with that for some reason, please reach out to me and let me know. And we will do our best to help you navigate through that, okay? I hope you all have a wonderful day. It's supposed to be, I think, a little bit nicer today, so make sure you get outside safely and enjoy the sunshine and the little bit of a warmer weather. And yeah, I will talk to you later. Bye.